Hello everyone, today's topic is codes. These are the most common topic in the NVR. We have 4 pictures and the respective codes like AL, BM, AN and BL. So this picture has the code BL. We have the 5th picture here. We need to find the codes for this picture. So let's see. I have look at the first letter A, B, A and B. So A and A are common here. So let's see what's common in the pictures. I see that there's a black circle at the top, black circle at the top, and white circle at the bottom, white circle at the bottom, which means that if it is A, it will have black circle at the top, white circle at the bottom. Now look at B. B means it is white circle at the top, white and then black at the bottom, white top, black bottom. So look at our picture which we need to find. It has white at the top, which means it, and black at the top at the bottom, which means that the first letter is going to be B. Now let's look at the second letter here, L, M and L. So I have L here and L here. I have L in common. Let's see what's common in the picture. I see between these two, I see that there are 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 at the top, which means if it is L, it has 3 lines. For M, it has 2, N, it has 1. It has only 1 line, so for 1 line, the letter should be BN. BN is option C. Let's look at the other example. A, B, C, A. A and A are common here. What's common in these two pictures? This one and this one. I see the black rectangle here. If it is black rectangle, it is A. If it is white, it is B. If it is a rectangle with a line in it, it's C. Look at our question here. It has a white rectangle, so my first letter should be B. Now let's look at the second one. Q, R, S, R. R and R are common. What's common in these two? This picture and this picture, I see that there are 2 dots or 2 circles at the top. If it is 2, it is R. If it is S, it is 1. If it is Q, it is 3. Look at this. There's only 1 circle. 1 circle means the letter should be BS, which is option A. So I hope you all understood how to get the codes. Do it one by one. So you have a homework. I'll display the homework questions here. These are your homework. So do them and comment down the answers for this. Thank you. Bye-bye.